My name is James Faulkner. I've been here for 5.5 years. I love working here. The people are amazing, and it's a place that I be looking forward to coming to work.
You have a sense of accomplishment each and every day. It's definitely been the best place I've ever worked.
ROCKWOOL is awesome. I've enjoyed the whole 8+ years I've been here. I'm looking for 10 more years at ROCKWOOL. I want to retire here.
If you're motivated and determined and have a good attitude, I think the sky's the limit here.
I've always got a raise every year, for my performance, and that's just, I like that. I've never got that.
What I appreciate most about ROCKWOOL is the people that work here.
Since I moved here, I came here and started and progressed within the company. I was able to get a new car, a new house. I can maintain a decent lifestyle with my salary. Get to enjoy life a little bit better.
I love it. I'm not gonna tell no story. I'm not just saying it for the camera. That's true. I really do love working here.